Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Ivan Khan, CEO of Khan's Tutorial. Today we'll have a really quick video on the importance of summer SHSAT workshops, weekday boot camps, and also the free bonus worksheet that your child can be working off of to gain some extra free bonus points on their next diagnostic. So let's, again, congratulations to last year's 145 specialized acceptances. If you're watching this and you're already at Khan's, you're in the right place. In the past 30 years, we've had 4,450 student offers to the specialized high schools, and that's been great to keep us at the #1 spot in our community for 28 straight years. If you take a look at that list of some of the other organizations, they're well behind Khan's Tutorial, so we're really excited about all of the success you're going to enjoy as long as you put the work in. So just remember, it is June and we are getting closer and closer to the last day of school. Every single Friday we do go over workshops from 4:30 to 7 p.m. for advanced level topics. And in the end of this month, during the end of this month, on June 28th, 29th, and 30th, we're going to have the start of boot camps. Today's video will quickly break down exactly the difference between workshop, boot camp, and why either or both may be a really good option for you. So parents, think about what's happening in July. Your kids are home, they're going to be bored, there may be an excessive use of their iPads, YouTube, video gaming, and they're going to keep asking you, Mom, I'm bored, Dad, I'm bored, I'm hungry. I'm a parent and I hear those three things all the time in my house. So one of the things that we try to do is have your child at least dedicate 3 hours every day for the summer boot camp. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 11 to 2, and that'll keep them involved and keep them practicing with the material that they need. And on Fridays from 4:30 to 7, that's 4 extra days of practice that they would not otherwise be getting at home. Same deal in August. Remember, the exam is happening in October, so whatever we're starting in July, if we're having some great practice habits, we want to move that into August. Again, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 11 to 2. Think about what's happening in your house. Your child's waking up, they're asking you for some food, and the first thing they're grabbing is their phone or their iPad or jumping onto their computer. So we want to make sure they're using that time for their specialized high school practice, whether at the center here at Jackson Heights or from the comfort of your own home on our live digital platform. So let's go more into the workshop program of exactly what it is. It happens every Friday from 4:30 to 7. You know that we have diagnostic retakes. Our diagnostics at Khan's are some of the most popular in New York City. We also cover advanced math topics. In addition to retaking your old diagnostics, we'll have advanced math topics. We'll have PSAT, SAT level reading topics, and we'll also have other high school level topics for math, reading, and revising editing. So Friday workshops are really helpful. As you can see, we have the class that meets every Friday here at the center in Jackson Heights. So if your child's above a 63 and you want to make sure that they get into the top 3 high schools, again, we have old diagnostic retakes. We have an intense review of all of our strategies. We have a lot of focus on your timing. We have a lot of extra focus on annotations. And you have the highest level of competition at our workshops, as you can see from the depiction of our centers. Again, workshops help if you're above the median. And for those students who got in the past several years, over 75% of the kids who got in to Stuyvesant, Bronx Science, Brooklyn Tech, or York Science in Queens all took workshop. So for advanced level offers, you got to take workshop to really boost your chances. Now let's talk a little bit about the Bootcamp program. The Bootcamp program is really a great fit if you're not there yet. Let's say you started in December when all the kids were starting already from September. Let's say you started but you're not practicing well enough at home, and right now your score is below 60. We need to make sure to get that cut off to above a 65 by Diagnostic E. And if you have at least 3 exams or you have a 75, you're going to be able to get into Brooklyn Tech. So you need 3 exam scores of 75. And if you're not at a 60 level, absolutely register for boot camps. So again, if you want to get into Stuyvesant High School, you're going to have 3 scores of 88. If you want to get into Bronx Science, you have to have 3 scores of 83. If you want to get into Brooklyn Tech, you have to have 3 scores of 78. And you got to keep those 3 scores in mind, 78, 83, and 88, and always see where the median is for every single diagnostic. Finally, we have the free bonus worksheet. This past week, we gave your child the information on keeping up and continuing their book list problems from the KT math lessons or the SHSAT handbooks. We need your child to complete this every single week, and for every single week that they can complete it and submit their work properly and show all the work, they'll get an extra point on their next diagnostic. So even right here, as you see, June 13th through 17th, 20th through 24th, that's 2 extra points in the next diagnostic. The 27th to July 1st, that's 2 extra points in the next diagnostic. So you want to make sure to do the bonus worksheet and keep up your practice. Start your homework on a Monday, Tuesday, finish it by Monday, Tuesday, get right into the bonus worksheet for those extra free points.